is working now, and I'm talking to Indy on text messages now, and we're planning a plot to kill Bella and Rosalie. Alright? The reason I want to kill Bella and Rosalie is because Indy wants Edward, and I want Emmett. So we figure if we get rid of Bella, and Rosalie, I get Emmett, and she gets Edward. We'll just leave these two right here alone because Alice and Jasper are just too cute. But yeah, our plan is we're going to sneak up on Bella when Edward's not around, and while Bella's not paying attention, we are going to throw a plastic bag over her head and then tie some rope around it so we can choke her. And just in case Edward hears the screams, well, we don't know what we have to do about that. But after we choke her, she's dead. We plan on taking her body and burning it. And then we're going to go back to Rosalie, and we're going to rip her head off. We're going to rip her head off, and then we're going to go burn her with Bella. Because the two scents will distract them, and these two scents right here, they'll distract them. So, you got Bella who probably smells like strawberries, and then you got Rosalie who probably smells like sex and wine. And then we're going to leave our phone numbers on a piece of paper for Emmett and Edward so they can call us. And oh my god, my space island just popped up. Fuck. So, yeah. Hopefully this will work. Because if it doesn't, then that would suck major ass, because we're badass, but we just want to kick someone's ass. I found out the cool thing, we're like only 2 states away. That is pretty rad. I'm from Oklahoma and she's from Texas, so yeah, we're like 2 states away. We can just get in a shiny Volvo and drive up to Washington and just be like, yo, Bella, what's going on, G? And they'll be like, 1, 2, 3, die, bitch, die! We're also talking about how when Bella turns into a vampire, when James bit her on the hand, she started crying and wouldn't shut up. Imagine how it would be whenever she's a vampire. Our theory is, she's going to be whining and screaming, and Indy said if she was Edward, she would just slap her and say, shut the dick together, you wanted this, now deal with it. And I was like, well, if I was Edward, I'd slap her and be like, bitch, shut up, suck it up and something. So yeah. That's about it. I'm watching I Love Money. It's so fucking stupid, but it's great. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say. Glad you like my screen wallpaper saver. Oh yeah. Deuces. I'll have more videos tomorrow and after, but I'm going to the city Tuesday. So yeah, deuces.